Hi guys, today's activity is going to be an online activity. It is our first lesson in a series of algebra lessons, and I hope you enjoy this journey as much as I am. So today's lesson is about think of a number. Now there are 3 levels, and I would like you to work through the 3 levels. Let me show you the first level and an example of the first one. Okay, so you're thinking of a number. If you multiply that number by 2, and then you add 6, the answer will be 44. Can you think of a strategy of how can we figure out what that missing number is? I think you are absolutely correct. Why don't we start with the answer, so 44, and then work backwards. Instead of adding 6, let's subtract 6. Now 44 minus 6 will give you 38, and try to do this without a calculator. Okay, so now we're going to start with 38. So instead of multiplying by 2, we are going to divide by 2. And 38 divided by 2, you are absolutely correct, is equal to 19. So let's check if we are correct. So you go right to the bottom of the page, you check, and oh, we forgot to write the answer. The missing number is therefore 19. So let's go to the bottom of the page again, and we check, and we are absolutely correct. So that will be level 1. You know, work your way through the levels. Let me show you a level 3 question. So for level 3, we're going to, and it's going to take a little bit of time if you've got internet for the question to show properly. So just be a bit patient, and then it's going to load a little bit. But as you can see, the idea is to work backwards. There you go. So in this question, I think of a number. What is the number if I multiply that number by 2, add 24, and the answer is 8? So you're absolutely correct. We're going to start with the answer and do the opposite. We're going to work backwards. So instead of adding 24, we're going to subtract 24. And this is a perfect opportunity to practice your integer skills. We've got positive 8, negative 24. So our answer must be negative, and we have to get the difference between 24 and 8, which is 16. And then we're going to start with negative 16. And instead of multiplying by 2, we are going to divide by 2. And you know, a negative divided by a positive is a negative, and the answer would be 8. So negative 8. So let's see if our answer is correct. Negative 8. We'll scroll down, check the answer, and we are absolutely brilliant. So what I would like you to do is then, if you've completed a level, make your screen smaller by pressing Ctrl-. And then I would like you to use your snippet tool, you know, the snippet tool, and snip that page, snip it, save the page by either right click and copy or Ctrl-C, and then then you're going to take that snippet and you are going to go to OneNote. In OneNote, in your own book, you're going to have a section which is called Online Practice. You go to that section, you add a page, you call that page Algebra, you name it Algebra, and then you can click Ctrl-V or just paste it. And then there I would then see whether you've completed the assignment.